Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to the series Maximizing the Motorcycle Road Trip, a series designed to help you get the absolute most out of your motorcycle adventures. I've been riding motorcycles on the street for over 40 years, and during that time I've taken countless motorcycle trips. With each ride, I've learned invaluable lessons, some the hard way. From what to do to what not to do, my experience has shaped a process that my wife Lori and I have refined over the many miles. Just this past summer in 2024, we embarked on two epic 6-week trips riding over 22,000 miles. Along the way, we continued perfecting how we plan, pack, and ride to maximize the joy of touring. We've dialed in a process that works for us, and we believe it can be valuable for you too. Because motorcycle touring isn't just a hobby for us, it's our passion, and we want to help you love it as much as we do. In this series, we'll cover our road trip preferences, not the only way, just the way that works best for us, building efficient turn-by-turn routes that are easy to access on the road, finding and booking great accommodations while saving a ton of money, food planning for road trips and saving even more money, packing tips, what to bring and how to organize your bike, and last but certainly not least, comfort tips for making sure the bike fits you perfectly, to the best kept secret for awesome audio, and all the right gear to keep you warm or cool, dry and safe. Our goal is simple, to help you make your trips more comfortable, more efficient, and more enjoyable. We hope you find this series helpful, and we'd love to hear from you. Share your feedback, your best practices, or even your upcoming road trip plans in the comments. Let's build a community of riders who help each other own the ride and own the road.